Hi everyone, today we are going to study from class 9 chapter 5 Introduction to Euclid's Geometry exercise 5.1 question 4. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is equal to half of AB. Explain by drawing the figure. So what we have to prove, if a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC. So then what we have to prove? We have to prove AC is equal to half of AB. So we have to explain by drawing the figure. So let's draw the figure. So let's consider there is a 2 point A and B. So 2 point A and B. We have a 2 point A and B. So we have a 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC. So if a point C lies between 2 points A and B, so between 2 points A and B, C lies such a way where AC will be equal to BC. That means it has to be in the center, then only AC will be equal to BC. So it is given to us that AC is equal to BC. So point C lies between the 2 point A and B such a way that AC and BC will be equal to each other. Okay, so we have drawn the figure. Now what we have to prove is, we have to prove that AC is equal to half of AB. AC is equal to half of AB. That's what we have to prove. So let's begin. So what is given to us? What is given to us is AC is equal to BC. It is given to us, right? Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that AC is equal to half of AB. So now let's write down. Now we have AB here, right? AB. So AB is equal to, so AB is what actually? AB can be written as AC plus BC. Together it is AB. So AB can be written as AC plus BC. Because we know that AC is equal to BC. So this part and this is same. So if you want to write AB, AB is what actually? AB is AC plus CB. Whether you write CB or a BC is the same. So in order to write the proof properly, we write, because it is given here AC is equal to BC, AC is equal to BC. So we keep it up that way only. Otherwise you also can write AB is equal to AC plus CB. Together it is AB. Since it is given this way, so we write it down, AB equal to AC plus BC. Okay. So now next, AB equal to, I'll write down AC as it is. Now instead of BC, can we write down AC? Because it is given to us that AC is equal to BC. So AC or BC, it is equal. So BC is equal to AC. So instead of BC, can we write AC? Okay, so now AB equal to, so now AC plus AC will give us 2 times AC. So now let's bring this to this side. So what we will get? AB. This is in multiplication. So when it comes here, it will be division. And then you have AC this side. Okay, so now take this 2 common outside, then it will become half, because it is in division, right? So when we write it as common, it will be 1 upon 2 AB, and then this AC we write down as it is. So we have proved, because we are asked to prove AC is equal to half of AB. So we have proved AC is equal to half of AB. Thus you can write AC equal to half of AB, hence proved. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.